Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in the next few minutes I'm going to be showing you there are specific timelines, okay, after your JAMB exam, after you've seen your results, you've scored above 200, specific timelines you should take note of, okay, while you're waiting. All right, now the first timeline you should take note of is your university post UME registration. Okay, I have them on my laptop here, so I'm going to be speaking on them. We did a seminar, a full length seminar, 2 hours. You can watch that on the YouTube channel. Okay, it says everything about admission, what you should prepare, things you should do, maximizing your chances to gain admission into school. Okay, so the first thing timeline is your post-UME, your university post-UME registration. When is it going to start? Okay, to find out that, please do always follow and check your university website. Always follow that. You can go on Facebook groups, okay, search for that university. You would see groups. Join those groups. There will be there are admins that are active, that would say, okay, the post-UME forms are out, and the process of registering, you have to go online, pay an amount, put in your details and all. If you have no idea on how to do that, then go to the school campus. Go to business centers around in the school campus, and they would help you out. But you can actually do it on your laptop, okay, or go to a CBT center to help you out with all those things. Okay, that's a JAMB CBT center. The second timeline you should take note of is when WAEC results upload starts. Please know that you have to upload your WAEC result. Do not miss it because you won't gain admission. Are you with me? You have to upload your WAEC results, and usually it starts when WAEC results are out. Right now they're still sitting for exams. Yes, they should finish their WAEC soon. So when the results are out, that's like a month's time in July. Mostly it's in July, August, or beginning of August. When the results are out, then the JAMB portal will be open for WAEC results upload. So you upload your results. So please don't just sit down and fold your arms. You don't know what to do, and that's why I'm doing this video. These are specific things you should know. Okay, so that's the second thing. Now the third thing, because there are four key timelines you should take note of. The fourth thing is your university post-UME examination date. That's for those schools that will do exam. If you are not going to do exam, there will be a screening date. So two things to take note of: when your post-UME exam date will be, or your screening date. It is physical screening. If you don't do post-UME, it is physical screening. You have to dress well, dress responsibly, and present your certificates and all that, your birth certificate, your name, several original copies. They will view it. They are not going to take it. Don't give it out to anybody, okay? They're not going to take it. They're just going to view it and check their system. I think you give them photocopies, and you would have your original copies back to take home to keep, okay? So you must know your university post-UME examination date or screening date so you don't miss it. All right, I advise students, if your school is taking post-UME, please start preparing now. The fourth and final thing is accepting admission on JAMB caps. When you do your post-UME, you see the school releases your list, you see your name, and you just feel everything. No, go to your JAMB caps. It will reflect there. Go there and accept admission. And by the way, I forgot to mention from the beginning, change of institution, change of course form is already available. You can go and pay. I don't know how much CBT center charge, either 2,000, 4,000. Just find out to change your institution and to change your course. Students who ask me, can I change my date of birth now? You cannot. Unfortunately, JAMB doesn't allow it. After you've registered, you can't do any change, okay? And if it's going to affect you, I'm sorry about that, but you have to wait till next JAMB. And when you're registering for your next JAMB, right now, I think what you should do is, if you're having any issues with your NIM, or birth certificate, try to rectify it now with your NIM, your birth certificate, rectify it. Then during your registration for 2025 JAMB, before you register, before you click submit, before they start inputting your details, tell them you have changes. You have name changes, date of birth correction, name change. Tell them, all right? and there will be a charge. It's quite expensive, so prepare. I think it's like 15,000 naira. There will be a charge. The CBT center will charge you to change, so that when you finish your registration, it will reflect on JAMB portal. But when you just go ahead and just register and submit, and you don't tell them that you have changes, and you don't pay for those changes, the same mistake you made in 2024 is the same thing that will happen again. So please take note of this and follow us. I always do videos immediately before JAMB announces forms are out. There's a seminar we always do for our students, how to avoid registration mistakes. Please follow us to know all that. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. So these are the 4 timelines. The first timeline is your university post-UME registration, when it will start, the amount, get prepared for the amount. Your WAEC result upload. When WAEC results are out, please upload your WAEC result on the JAMB portal. Go to a CBT center and do it. And thirdly, your university post-UME examination date or screening date. You should know this. Okay. And fourth is accepting your admission on JAMB CAPS. Everything now is on JAMB CAPS. Accepting it. You can go to a CBT center to do that, or you can do that by yourself. I've done a video, okay, it's on my YouTube channel. I'll leave the link on how you can go to your CAPS and accept your admission. Even on the web, the seminar I told you about maximizing your admission chances, I did a video on that. Okay, so these are the critical. Don't just you've gotten your score and you sit back home and you are just waiting. No, you have to be inquisitive. Follow, what is the next thing, next steps, what are the next timelines, what am I supposed to do? You have to ask questions, and that's why I am giving this information. Okay, so these are the timelines to take note, your next step timelines to take note of. Okay, thank you. Don't forget finally that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He's the one who's going to lead us to heaven at last, and here on earth he will give us peace, okay, joy, love, strength, power to overcome sin, to live a holy and righteous life, okay, and to fulfill our purpose. You know, there's a purpose each and every one of us have in the kingdom of God. To fulfill it here on earth, he's going to give us that power to do that and grace to do that. Okay, so please do accept Jesus today. And finally, you are destined to win. Okay, in life, in your career, in your spiritual life, financial life, you are destined to win. Okay, so thank you, and see you in our next video. Please do share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones, and do make sure you subscribe and follow. I always miss saying subscribe and follow us. Okay, please subscribe, follow us, and share with your friends and family and loved ones. Thank you, and stay blessed.